When removing ball joints, control arms and suspension struts, it's always a struggle to hold the lower suspension arm out of the way. Even once you've loosened it off, you'll struggle to release it, wrestling against the anti-roll bar and suspension components. It really feels like you need a third hand. Laser Tools to the rescue with this new hands-free suspension arm lever. Fitted in seconds, it is specifically designed to pull and hold down the lower suspension arm to allow separation from the hub. Fully adjustable, the suspension arm lever makes the job easier, safer, and much more convenient with the hands-free operation. The main bar is a useful 75 cm in length, which reaches across to the suspension on the other side for easy securing. Once in place, simply wind down the lower suspension arm and it is held there under tension as you release the suspension strut. And once the suspension is dismantled, the lower arm stays in place until you are ready to reassemble. Same procedure if you need access to the outer ball joint. Simply wind down the lower suspension arm away from the ball joint. You'll wonder how you did without it. A professional tool for the professional technician.